All right, Katie, my lady, this one is for you. We are going for a walk down to the dike because social distancing. What I've got on right now is a bit of a yoke made out of Ethernet cable. That there is 25 pounds. That there is another 25 pounds. Once we get to the seawall, or dike, I guess it's called in Richmond, I am then going to be carrying these, doing a farmer's carry for 1 kilometer. And we're going to see if I'm able to actually do the thing that I keep telling you that you have to do every day. We'll see how it goes. We're actually trying to find a kilometer marker. The yoke setup apparently works for me, but doesn't work for Ben. It's too damn short. So he's carrying them as a farmer would, doing a farmer's carry. Until we get to the spot where we can do the farmer's carry. Oh, what fun. All right, so what we got here is a 1 kilometer marker slash 4 kilometer marker. We don't know where the hell the other markers actually are. We assume they're 1 kilometer apart, but as you can see, if we look that way to where the Olympic Oval is and the bridge is, that's supposed to be about 800 or so meters. And we didn't see the marker on the other side. So we're gonna start from here, see if we can at least make it to the bridge and figure out if that's actually a doable thing.
All right, farmers' carries begin. I'm
not filming the whole way, are you?
Oh, hell yeah. We want to have...
kind of battery life?
Sure you do.
Wait for me.
Well, you said you wanted proof that you're doing it.
This will be proof of nothing but failure. This really gets the heart rate up.
Oh yeah. Especially your little jaunt back there, trying to escape the all-seeing eyes of a camera.
I can tell you right now, I'm not making it to the bridge.
Well, let's see how far you get. From where we started to the oval should be about 500 meters. Man, the joys of allergies when everything is green and growing.
The trees and the grass are having sex in my face.
I know. I have the exact same problem you do. It is a really shitty time to have allergies.
So what you're saying is you should be staying inside at home. Here's what you're saying.
I got a raid coming up. Yeah, if I hadn't made it clear, I'm also a gamer, not just a lifter. Okay, can you do the far side of the oval?
I can tell you that it burns.
Oh yeah. You know, you're also doing substantially more than they say you should be doing. Look at her run. All right.
Well, made it to the oval.
Oh, well.
Thanks, bird.
Yeah, you're getting cheers on. Yay, Richmond Oval. Better view. How are your arms?
My right side is burning like hell. My left hand is completely numb. My traps literally just started kicking in.
Okay. Which is pretty much what you want.
I'm actually finding this easier than doing the yoke.
Well, yeah. Because the yoke digs into your neck. Oh, there's the bridge. All right. Get through to the other side and you're done. Go to the bench. All right. And that is 1 kilometer. There you go.
We still gotta get him home.
That's my job. All right. I'm handing this over.
Pick him up, biggin.
Actually, nope. Stupid cord behind me. All right, let's go.
Mush! Mush, I say! This brought to you by PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile for all your PUBG needs when you don't have an actual computer, I guess. I don't know. Making time.
Wasn't my first choice.
Thank you, person who stopped for us.
The only reason why I picked this shirt is because the logo's not emblazoned on the front.
Ain't nothing wrong with PUBG. It's almost as popular as Raid Shadow Legends. Did you know with Raid Shadow Legends, they have over 300... Yeah, never mind.
You might as well just stop while you're ahead.
You would think I would actually know the speech by now, but I can just skip it every time somebody starts talking.
Yeah.
Ooh, work that butt, biggin. You know, it's not a kilometer back to our house, but it's like 400 meters.
Yeah.
So the question is, was this good enough? Are we going to do it with the 45s?
No.
Well, I'm going to try it with the 45s at some point, but oh man. 1 kilometer kind of sucked.
I would say with the 45s, build yourself up to it.
How much more building do you need than 1 kilometer?
No, get up to it.
Yeah, but like I don't have 35s?
No. Take the 45, go about 200 meters, then go 300, then go 400. Basically build yourself up to it because it's going to be an endurance.
You know, the best part about this whole COVID-19 thing, oh yeah, now I've just been demonetized because I mentioned a real thing that's happening in the real world, is that due to seasonal allergies, I'm stuffed up and sneezing occasionally, which clearly means I've got it and, you know, I can't do my job. So that's cool. You're starting to get a little bit of back sweat. How's your forearm doing?
My left side, not so bad.
Are you going to make it all the way? Here's a helpful tip for everybody who's trying to socially distance. Just be a strong man and people will leave you alone.
Yep. Just carry around weights. If you need to, throw a bar in your back. Carry that sucker around. People stay away.
That Ethernet cord is not sufficient for doing a proper yoke.
Nope. It's almost like it wasn't my idea.
Bunny!
Hey, buddy, deadlift now.
You're made of protein, Bunny. Bunny's gone.
Getting off that.
And not hit by a vehicle. Woo! Today's going splendidly. Well, and there we go. We waited for the light. His hand's got a little bit of a break. So, before Christmas, I had really bad tennis elbow last summer, and he managed to do something in his arm as well.
Left side.
So, obviously doing farmer's carries when you've got something pulled in your arm kind of sucks.
Yep.
So,
generally, if you're going to do this and you pulled something, take it light, take it slow.
exactly. Katie, my lady, I'm having you doing 2 laps, going up and down the stairs a little bit. I'm not asking you to do a kilometer. If you can do a kilometer, that'd be fantastic. Great for your cardio health. I know my heart was kind of freaking out a little bit during the sprinting sections there. Why is there a milk? Anywho.
That was from the car accident. They probably just decided to keep it there.
But I am saying, if you were able to carry 50 pounds around in your hands for 1K, I don't think anyone's going to question that you're going to be alive a whole long time. Then again, you're already deadlifting that much. I am not too worried about you being around a good long time. And here we are at the illustrious ChiBro and Sons Training with Roar Action Center. Not actually an action center. We done. We out.